another time. Hi guys, hello. Guys, nakapag-biometric na ba kayo? Dito po sa Kuwait is need talaga magpa-biometric, sabi nila. At kailangan natin ng appointment. So today, nakapag-biometric na ako guys. If you have any question, just comment down below and I will answer you guys. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-book ng appointment if hindi pa alam. Kung paano mag-book ng appointment sa Meta Portal na tinatawag. At kung hindi po kayo marunong sa Meta Portal, kailangan nyo din pong gamit ng Sahel. Pero ang Sahel is Arabic yung nandoon. So if you don't know how to read an Arabic, then you can do that without a help of Arabic people or Arabic friends who understand how to read the Arabic letters. And kung Pilipino naman, pwede po kayong mag-search sa sa Google. Search nyo lang po ang Meta Portal at pwede po kayong mag-sign in doon. At pwede nyo na pong magawa kung ano yung gagawin nyo. Mag-sign in po kayo doon gamit ang inyong civil ID card and civil ID card at serial number ng inyong civil ID at inyong Gmail account para makapag-login kayo doon at ang inyong phone number. And after that, mag-login kayo at doon hanapin nyo yung Ministry of Interior at hanapin nyo rin doon ang information identification nakalagay at doon mag-book kayo ng appointment. Okay guys, I hope you understand what I said. I get them the night. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys, message me down below if you have any questions sa pag-biometric. Message lang po kayo. At answer ko po yung mga question nyo on that. Hi, hello guys, hello.